Okay, it's bad lighting, but I'm gonna show you anyway. This corner here, this wall here, it's kind of curved and kind of bowed out. So I had to cut this piece here. Had to cut in the curve to match this wall. And it was an inch and a quarter off also. So I had to correct that. And then I had to cut a curve in it. So I think I did pretty good. It's got a pretty tight fit now. And this side here is level. This is why I want to make sure that this edge was level, because I'm trying to level up as I go. So here's our bubble. You see our bubble? Let me see if you make it move there. You see our bubble right there between that line right there? That's our bubble right. Look at that right there. That's our bubble right between them lines there. Level. And that's my goal. Even though my building is not level, I want to cut whatever's not level and make it level. So that's what I'm doing. That's why I had to cut that curve in there. But I got it. I got one more wall to put up. It's pouring down rain outside. I'm gonna get that done today, and then I'm gonna call it a day.